2006 Lexus GX 470. One owner, 93,000 miles. Full records, timing belt and water pump have been replaced. Tires are in great condition. Third row seating that folds up. We have all the keys, all the owner's manuals, the floor mats, first aid kit. Definitely tell this is a one-owner vehicle. Chrome wheels, Michelin tires, moonroof, leather seats, power seats, heated seats, wood grain interior. There's the Carfax report, 125-point inspection that we do in all of our vehicles. All-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, heated seats, adjustable air ride. Everything works on this vehicle. Needs nothing. 93,300 miles at the time of the video. Second row seats. The third row seats have never been sat in, from my understanding. (2006) Lexus GX 470, one owner, 93,000 miles, in amazing condition.